Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain when did the USSR collapse explained. Follow along and note the timeline and main causes. I will walk you through the political shifts, economic strains, and national movements that combined to end the Soviet system. Expect clear, simple explanations and examples that connect events to everyday consequences people faced. I aim to make this complex story understandable and relevant for curious viewers. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker fits perfectly in craft rooms and plays music softly while you fold. Please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really supports this channel. The Echo Dot delivers clear sound, voice control, and compact design that keeps your workspace simple and fun. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Start by stacking the rings or layers in order and checking that edges align. Apply a thin line of glue or tape to the designated tab areas, pressing carefully to avoid glue squeeze out. Allow adhesive to set partially, then gently pull the inner tab to test the reveal action. If the motion sticks, open and reposition layers, sanding tiny areas if needed. Finish with decorative paper or messages on each panel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.